Welcome to the Salesforce tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through how to add flags, images based on the probability values in a formula field using static resources in Salesforce. Let's get started. Click on the setup icon, gear icon and select setup. Now navigate to the quick find box at the top left and type static resources. Now let's upload the images that we will be using. Name the images as you can. I am giving the name of icon red for the red flag image. Icon green for the green image. Now that our images are uploaded, let's move to the opportunity object. Opportunities. We are going to show the flags in this tab for the percentages of the probability to make it more easier. These are the probability percentages that are already given. So let's move to the setup menu. Opportunities tab. In fields and relation, we will add another field. The field will be formula based. The name of the field will be probability flags. And it will be text based. We can also add advanced formulas, but right now we are going to write the formula as it is quite easier. If the probability is greater than 80%, which is 0.8, the image the image URL, we will write it as resource backslash icon green, and the alternate text will be green. Height, we can take any height and width data. Now another if statement. Equal to 0.5, which is 50%, and less than 0.75. 79. To copy this, the image will be icon amber, and if probability is less than 0.5, image red will occur. There is a error here. Now this formula, the syntax of this formula is correct. This formula checks the probability. If it's greater than 80%, it shows the green flag. Between 50% and 79%, it shows amber, and below 50%, it displays the red flag. The image function links the images we upload in the static resources. Now hit the save button and let's test this in the opportunity record. I have selected the field to show in the tabs. Now you can see the flags are appearing.